Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Squid Game cookies. First, gather your ingredients, just sugar and a tiny bit of baking soda. You'll also need a non-stick pan, a heat-resistant spatula, and parchment paper. This simple recipe creates the classic dalgona candy, perfect for challenging your friends. Get ready to impress everyone with your candy-making skills. To begin, place about 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar into your non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Stir continuously with your spatula. The sugar will slowly melt and caramelize. Keep stirring until it transforms into a clear, amber-colored liquid with no granules remaining. This step is crucial for a smooth, consistent candy. Once the sugar is fully melted and amber, immediately remove the pan from the heat. Add a tiny pinch of baking soda, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, and stir vigorously. The mixture will quickly foam up and turn a lighter, opaque color. Pour it onto parchment paper, press it flat with a grease tool, and use cookie cutters to make your shapes. Allow your freshly made dalgona candy to cool completely on the parchment paper. This usually takes only a few minutes. Once firm, carefully peel the candy from the paper. Now you can enjoy your delicious and challenging Squid Game cookies. Remember to check the description for the link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Have fun trying to break out the shapes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.